Tired of constantly wondering where your money goes? Feeling like your finances are a complete mystery? You're not alone. Millions of people struggle to track their spending and stay on budget. But what if I told you there's an app that can help you take control of your finances with minimal effort? Enter pocketGuard, a user-friendly budgeting app designed to simplify your financial life. In this video, we'll dive deep into what pocketGuard is, how it works, and whether it's the right budgeting tool for you. Features and benefits. pocketGuard seamlessly connects to your bank accounts, credit cards, and investment accounts. It automatically categorizes your transactions, giving you a clear picture of where your money is going. No more manual entry or tedious categorization. Need to set a budget? pocketGuard makes it a breeze. You can easily set spending limits for different categories like groceries, dining, and entertainment. The app will then track your progress and alert you when you're approaching your limits, helping you stay on track. One of pocketGuard's standout features is its inflow and outflow system. Inflow represents your income, while outflow tracks your expenses. The app provides a visual representation of your financial situation, highlighting areas where you can cut back and maximize your savings. Key benefits. pocketGuard isn't just about tracking. It provides valuable insights into your spending habits. You can easily identify your biggest expenses and discover areas where you can save money. The app also offers practical advice on how to reduce your spending and increase your savings. Who is it for? pocketGuard is a great option for individuals of all financial backgrounds. Whether you're a beginner looking to establish a budget or a seasoned saver seeking to optimize their finances, this app can be a valuable tool. Limitations. While pocketGuard offers a range of valuable features, it's not without limitations. Some users may find the free version to be somewhat limited in functionality. Premium features, such as bill negotiation and investment tracking, require a subscription. Overall, pocketGuard is a user-friendly and effective budgeting app that can help you gain control of your finances. Its intuitive interface, automated features, and valuable insights make it a valuable tool for anyone looking to improve their financial well-being. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.